Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston. I'm aboard the Freedom 235 by Grady-White. This is one of the most versatile boats you could own. It's actually about a 24-foot boat. It's designed for fish, ski, water sports, offshore, just about anything you want to do with it. Start here at the back. We've got it powered by a 300-horse Yamaha. Got an excellent boarding ladder. Notice the extended swim platform that this boat has. It really makes it versatile. Got some nice rope lockers on the back. You can put ropes and different types of gear. Nice walk through to get to the boarding ladder. Here in the back we've got an aerated bait well and a fish box. And these of course can double as storage or they can double as ice chests. Another cool feature on this particular model that we ordered on this stock number is a retractable ski tow pylon. So you can completely push it down out of the way, or you can pop it up for doing your water sports. Here's another great feature. If you're offshore fishing, it's nice to have this combing in the tow hole. But when you're entertaining or just carrying more guests on board, you've got a real easy to deploy seat. You'll notice the side tow holes as well. If you're gaffing a fish or grabbing a cleat at the boat dock. Fresh water. We got raw water and fresh water. So this is great to rinse the salt off or rinse actually your fishing reels on the way back in. Pop up cleats. Here's a cool feature I like about this boat too. Now we have storage under the seat, but we also have a movable backrest. So you can lounge either direction, or you can have a split back to back there. Got a fully adjustable helm seat with a bolster. This boat's got the hard top option and lots of shade, lots of storage. We've even added the full enclosure on this one, so you can take it out in any type of weather you want. Come on aboard and let me show you the head compartment, some of the great features moving forward. One of the neatest things that this boat has that you don't see very often on a single engine, we got joystick control. That is a really neat feature. They're just starting to add it to some single engine configurations, but it gives you fish point, drift point, stay point, easy maneuverability. We've got a GPS screen here. We've got plenty of room for larger screens. We do custom rigging here at MarineMax. We can pick any brand you want to put in here. I love the bolster, the way it drops down, the tilt steering, stereo system. Over here we have a charging station for your electronics and the main control for the stereo. But check this out. Look at that huge, roomy, luxurious head compartment. You got a nice mirror, little towel rack, little cleat for your towel rack. That's a real toilet too. That's a flush toilet, not a porta potty. Moving forward, another great compartment here. Tons of storage. You'll notice inside the video we just showed has an insert for this front deck, and it also has an extra shade that comes off the top. It completely shades this area up here, and this will completely convert from a fishing platform by putting the insert in, or you can remove all of these cushions or add cushions and make it a suntan lounge or fishing platform, whatever you want it to be. You'll also notice that when you're sitting up here, you've got good depth. Like if you have kids riding in the bow, they've got good depth. The handrails up inside the boat, really well thought out. One of my favorite features on any boat's right there on the front. It's a windlass anchor system. So all you have to do is flip a switch to get your anchor in and out. This boat is ready to go. And I am Paul here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm ready to take care of you. Come see this and many of our other offerings, and I'll be glad to help you.